You are welcome to my channel digitizings.com. Digitizings.com offers the best custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services online. We provide high quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or credit debit card. If you need our services at discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit website digitizings.com. Now let's see and know about Melco EP1 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Melco EP1 is a versatile and high-performance embroidery machine designed for both hobbyists and professional businesses. With its advanced features, it delivers precision, speed, and ease of use, making it a valuable asset for custom embroidery projects. Compact design ensures it fits well in small spaces while maintaining industrial-grade functionality. Features of the Melco EP1 Embroidery Machine 1: compact and lightweight design. The Melco EP1 is designed to be lightweight and space efficient, making it ideal for home-based businesses or setups with limited workspace. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on functionality or build quality. 2. High-speed performance. This machine offers exceptional stitching speeds, enabling users to complete large orders quickly. Its precision ensures that even at high speeds, the embroidery maintains high quality, detail and accuracy. 3. Wide range of hoop sizes. The Melco EP1 supports multiple hoop sizes, allowing users to create designs of various dimensions. Whether it's small monograms or large jacket back designs, this machine can handle it all with ease. 4. Intuitive touchscreen interface. The built-in touchscreen interface provides a user-friendly experience, enabling quick design selection, editing, and machine control. Its straightforward navigation is perfect for both beginners and experienced embroiderers. 5. Automatic thread tension adjustment. The automatic thread tensioning system ensures consistent stitching, reducing errors and saving time. It adapts to various fabric types for professional results every time. 6. Seamless software integration. The Melco EP1 is compatible with embroidery software, allowing users to import custom designs easily. This feature is perfect for businesses that require brand-specific or complex embroidery patterns. 7. Multi-needle capability. Equipped with multiple needles, the machine can handle multicolour designs without requiring manual thread changes. This feature significantly enhances productivity and reduces downtime. 8. Durable build quality. Built with robust materials, the Melco EP1 ensures longevity even with continuous use. It's a reliable option for high-demand embroidery businesses. Pricing. The Melco EP1 embroidery machine is competitively priced, offering excellent value for its features and capabilities. While prices may vary based on location and suppliers, it remains a cost-effective choice for small businesses and professionals seeking top-tier embroidery performance. If you are looking for embroidery digitizings, then digitizings.com offers the best custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services online. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or credit debit card. If you need our services at discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.